In today's video, I'm going to teach you what are Mondaycom's plan and pricing. These plans are designed for businesses of different sizes, from small teams managing contacts to large enterprises with more complex sales processes. Keep in mind that pricing and included features can change over time, so it's always a good idea to check Mondaycom's official pricing page for the most up-to-date details. To get started, log into your Mondaycom account. Once you're inside the workspace, look for the option that says See Plans and click it. This will take you to the pricing page, where you can compare the available CRM plans side by side. Let's start with the basic plan, which is priced at $12 per user per month. This plan is best for small businesses that need a simple CRM to organize customers and sales opportunities. It includes core features like contact management, lead management, deal pipelines, account management, email tracking, an activity timeline, unlimited customizable pipelines, basic dashboards, mobile app access, and basic AI usage. The main thing to know here is that this plan is more manual, so you won't get advanced automations, advanced reporting, broad integrations, or stronger AI capabilities. It works well for managing contacts, tracking leads, following up with prospects, and supporting small sales teams, freelancers, or startups. Next is the standard plan at $17 per user per month. This is a strong option for businesses that are starting to automate their sales process. You get everything in basic, plus two-way email integration, Gmail and Outlook sync, email templates, an AI email generator, customer activity timelines, CRM automations, calendar synchronization, more dashboards, more AI credits, and more integrations. For example, when a deal is marked as won, the system can automatically create a task, notify a sales manager, send a welcome email, and schedule onboarding. This plan is ideal for growing teams that want to reduce manual work and improve follow-up. Then there's the Pro plan at $28 per user per month. This is best for sales teams handling a large number of leads and needing advanced analytics. It includes everything in standard, plus sales forecasting, revenue forecasts, advanced dashboards, mass email campaigns, advanced CRM analytics, more automations, more integration actions, advanced AI tools, time tracking, formula columns, private boards, and larger dashboard capacity. This plan is especially useful for companies with multiple sales reps, large pipelines, revenue targets, and managers who need deeper reporting. Finally, the ultimate plan comes with custom pricing. It's built for large enterprises that need advanced security, governance, and enterprise-scale CRM capabilities. It includes everything in Pro, along with enterprise-grade security, advanced permissions, role-based access control, audit logs, enterprise automations, large-scale dashboards, lead scoring, single sign-on, SCIM user provisioning, enterprise onboarding, dedicated customer success support, priority support, and advanced governance. This is a strong fit for organizations that need secure data handling, compliance support, and centralized administration. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.